Hello, this is Meghla and my friend Mr. Balaganesh. We both are aptitude trainers and we are CAT trainers mainly. So we want to start the CAT class today. So the first topic which we're going to discuss now is numbers. So what is numbers? Will you do
You
it?
come front. Ma'am, you come here.
Please.
I'll be audience now. I'll ask doubts from here.
Okay, fine.
Oh, that's good now. That's better.
So numbers. So what is the topic numbers? You must be knowing about numbers. So basically, the very basic classification of number is we can say real and imaginary.
Imaginary.
So real number and imaginary. So let us not look into the imaginary because in aptitude we are not going to see this imaginary numbers. And now the real numbers. So what is real number? What do you mean by real number?
All the numbers which are not imaginary.
Okay, fine. So can you give me an example of a real number?
23.
So all the numbers. So not only 23, we can
1.5.
say the entire number system. Whatever the numbers we refer, whatever the numbers we are using is called real number. This real number is again divided into is classified as rational and irrational. So what is the difference between rational and irrational? Why do you differentiate the numbers as rational and irrational? Please. So rational numbers normally
P by Q forms.
The P by Q form, generally the one which can be rationalized, so which can be expressed, which can be counted or measured is called rational number. The number which cannot be expressed or counted or you cannot have the proper value, that is called irrational number. For example, the best example we can say is pi, or we can say root 2. So what is the value of root 2?
1.41414.
We normally say 1.414, 414 and 4, but it is not 1.414. You can see that if you just see in the calculator, it keeps going on without any repetition, neither it terminates. So whereas if you write any number as p by q, for example, even 1 by 3 when you write, that is equal to 0.33 and it goes on. It repeats. Or if you have 5 by 2, this is called 2.5. So the number which either repeats or terminates after the decimal is called rational number. And these numbers can be written as p by q. What do you mean by p by q? It's a number.
Numerator and denominator.
The p is a number, q is another number. When you write a number as p by q, where p is an integer, q is an integer and not equal to 0, then that is called a rational number. So any of these numbers can be converted like you are seeing here. This 0.333 is nothing but 1 by 3. Similarly, 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. Whereas root 2 cannot be written in that form. Okay. So in this again we have problems which we'll discuss later about how to convert these fractions into decimals or decimals into fractions. For today this is sufficient. Thank you. Now Balaganesh will explain the balance.
Yeah.